Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We would like to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Petar Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This week, US traders were in the elevated mood ahead of the long weekend on the occasion of Thanksgiving Day. Amid the positive market sentiment, the US stock indices hit another record high, and the US dollar asserted strength across the board. Hi Petar, we're watching that the euro-dollar pair is again making efforts to break below the psychological level of 1.10.
Hello there traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found according to the daily time frame is this currency pair basically is approaching the very important swing low based on daily time frame at the price of the 1.0990. I must say the short-term trend is downside, and there is a bigger chance that price will break this swing low and continue with more downside pressure. Anyway, my advice is basically to watch carefully the price action around this support at the 1.0990. Because if you see the downside breakout with a strong momentum and with a high volume, then you will watch for selling opportunities on the rallies with the downward targets at the price of 1.0950 and 1.0886. From the other side, if you'll basically see some stronger rejection, aggressive rejection of this support 1.0990, then there is a chance for a rally back and test of the 1.1032. Anyway, there is a downside pressure, so I will advise you more to watch for the breakout of this swing low and then for potential selling on the rallies on this currency pair.
What exactly should happen to enable the pound-dollar pair to escape from a trading range?
On the British pound versus US dollar, basically, there is nothing more than the 30 days of consolidation. This currency pair is trading in the balanced regime, so the market is bracketing, and the key resistance of this bracket is set at the price of the 1.3015, and the support of this bracket is set at the price of 1.2767. So I think it's a big indecision on the British pound actually in the last 30 days, and my advice is absolutely to stay away from from this market in the shorter perspective, because it's trading on the one sideways line, and to watch carefully for the potential breakout of resistance or support of this balance of this currency pair. So if you see the breakout of the upside and resistance, then my advice to watch for potential target the 1.3200 level. If you see, for example, the breakout of the support at the 1.2767, then watch for potential 1.2500 to be on the test in case of the downside breakout. So it's pretty much, it will depend a lot on do you see the upside breakout or the downside breakout. So watch for the breakout of this bracket in order to confirm the further direction.
Meanwhile, the dollar-yen pair has been able to develop a clear trend this week.
The USD versus Japanese yen, there is a very interesting situation on this currency pair, because this currency pair finally basically broke 109.35, which was such an important resistance for this currency pair. And there is actually a very big and important pattern that we actually completed in the background. That is inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is actually confirming there is a more upside pressure in the incoming days and weeks. So I would advise to watch for buying opportunities on the dips. Watch, for example, for hourly or 4-hour time frame bull flags or ABC type of the downside corrections in order to actually establish the long positions. Upward targets are set at the price of 109.96 and the second target at 110.60. Both targets are based on the previous price action according to a daily time frame, and they're representing the swing highs from the background. So watch for buying opportunities, good pattern, good bullish pattern completed in the background, and try to buy on dips on this currency pair.
Thank you, Petar, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading, and see you soon.